Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Hands on Nuggets. I hope you have seen my last video about opportunity card. There I have mentioned how to apply in a very detailed way. I have not seen any video related to opportunity card which has given such good details. So today we'll be discussing about what happens after you apply for the opportunity card. So once you apply for the opportunity card, it goes to the people who will verify your documents along with your data you have provided for opportunity card. So after that, you need to keep logging into your CSP portal and keep checking whether they have requested any corrections or not. Okay, so personally for me, I have received two corrections. I'll tell you what are those. One, where I had submitted my degree certificate and consolidated mark sheet, but they requested individual mark sheet as well from your university or your institution. So I have attached all the consolidated mark sheet, my degree certificate along with all the mark sheets, and then I've made one document and uploaded it. That is one correction. Second correction, they asked where in the other section where I have uploaded my experience certificates, only the experience certificates. Later they requested me to submit the booking as well, hotel booking as well. So I have attached that in that PDF and then again I submitted. So these two corrections I got. After verifying all the documents, then I have received an email from VFS that so and so date your visa appointment is ready and you have to be there in person. So during that time, I have taken the printouts for like whatever I have received from VFS, the time slot, and along with that I have taken my highest degree certificate and 2 passport size photo required to German standard and your passport as well. In my case, the appointment was in VFS Gopalan Mall, Bangalore. So there I reached on that scheduled time, and after seeing my appointment letter, which I received in my Gmail. So after seeing that, they allowed me inside, and after going inside, they will provide you one kind of form. Okay, so make sure you carry one pen. Okay, so to fill the form and all. And after going there, I filled the form and then I was waiting. Then they called me in some counter, let's say counter number 1. Okay, so there I submitted the form. Along with that form, I've submitted my passport, my degree certificate and 2 passport size photo. Then they sent me to the next counter. There they verified my documents again, whatever I have filled in the form and along with the passport number, etc. And then they asked whether I want my my passport to be couriered or you will come to pick it up. So I mentioned that I'll come to pick it up here. And then after noting down all of this, they've asked me to cross-check my email ID, my phone number, etc. And then after that, they will send me to the third counter where I had to pay the VFS fees. Okay, VFS and the visa fee. So I paid through my credit card. Okay, I think they accept UPA as well or cash as well. So, and after that, after paying the payment, then I received an email from VFS that your payment has been received and all. Then they gave me one kind of form, something letter that your payment is received, and with that form they sent me to the biometric section where they took my biometric and my retina test. All these things happen, and once those things are done, then you are good to go home. So once that VFS thing is done, then you can come back home, and probably after a couple of weeks you will get another notification that your passport has been stamped and it is in VFS office. You can come and collect it if you have opted for pickup. And if you opted for courier, then definitely they will courier it to your home address, whichever you have mentioned. So that's the whole process about opportunity card. Part 2, you can think like what happens during your interview day and all. So if you have any questions, please comment down below. I'll be happy to help you regarding that. And I hope you found this video informative. If you have any queries, please comment down below. See you in the next video.